Yeah. Well, if you know, say I'm Mega Man, and this is StarLifeDanceHall.com, the internet #1 in dancehall and reggae.
Show the world you're
We're here with the legendary, worldwide, international artist Chacka Demus Pliers. Have the world record for the chart in the UK.
On the British National Chart.
You want to tell us something about that and just what it is to be an international artist right now in our reggae dance?
Experience was very good. We never even know that the first song in the British National Chart was Tease Me. And we never even know that. We thought it was like it's a normal chart. See? But it is very, it was very good. It was a very nice vibe to know that the music that you create, lyrics you put together and the melody and the music weren't just for like a little small commune, it was global. See? So it was very nice, to know that.
Last time I booked with the scene was in Belgium. They flew you out there and they mashed up the place.
100.
Yeah, I mean like you're singing some internationalists in the place. I got mad for Chacka Demus Pliers. Right now the international, in dancehall, this kind of stuff. What would you give as advice to the artists right now as being an international artist and getting those festivals, those shows, and working those?
Well, to me, the music changed, over the years. Like you can have generation after generation come up, So, but me think what is happening. You see, Jamaica are the roots for the thing, and then again them start playing the singers, more than play the DJ them. Them figure the singers a chance still, same way. Along with the DJs.
Now the simple talk singer is one of the foundation, the foundation. The foundation of the music. If you don't follow that, you're straight. So if you don't follow the foundation, I'm in trouble.
Yeah, they'll kill the business.
So you feel like them straight from the foundation? Oh, in which way them straight from the foundation?
Right now, I'm trying to play some pop rhythm.
Okay.
Them really pop, them play some pop rhythm where we do them hit the international. I don't know the Americans, them love the reggae. Them always look up to me. I would for them come to me and sing with me on stage and thing already. So it's nice if them keep that roots. The roots is good, don't drop it. If you straight from the root, then the branch and the leaf and everything and think they're gonna die.
My roots I'll never forget, and always remember the road I traveled.
So what can we expect from Chacka Demus Pliers for the future?
What you can expect this year are some beautiful songs to go and put together for the people that who really love reggae. And all who don't love reggae, go and love reggae with all these songs that come up. Let me tell you something, brother. Chacka Demus Pliers Day here. And the people that would rather spend the money on some little youth was last 3 weeks or 4 weeks. And me and Demus who can make themselves 2 million recording, do a record now. I make them make a bag of money, then the business will be and them feel like they can't do it again. These are the things, them straight, them gone, them last.
January 24, you're performing in Jamaica.
Yeah, just some blues.
Dance festival, yeah. First time in 5 years.
You see?
Yes, and the people that well want to see Chacka Demus Pliers.
All of them, when we turn to Jamaica, them want to see it.
Yeah,
them see them, all of them are going to come out to it.
Yeah.
Chacka Demus Pliers.
Yeah, man. And yo, more say on behalf of StarLifeDanceHall.com, we love what you do for this music. You bring the music to an international level. And we would love Chacka Demus Pliers get more recognition for what them do for dancehall and reggae internationally. Yeah, because when you go anywhere in the world and a tune come on, a murder she wrote.
You don't know, so a murder she wrote start reggaeton.
Yeah. But yeah.
And that started music reggaeton, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Murder she wrote.
Yeah,
First dancehall song,
Check it.
word for word, you know.
Yeah. Anyway, you go in the world right now, like two days back. You want the world knows that Chacka Demus Pliers. Yeah, man.
Feel down, man. You know that contribution and foundation.
Everything strong and ready for the music.
Yeah.
Chacka Demus.
A blessing, me say, you know, from the heart, you know, groundation.
Yeah, man, groundation, man.
I'm the name Chacka, the girl and Mac, and we give it to them proper.
StarLife DanceHall.
Don't stop talk, Chacka.
Only one life and a StarLife.